All right, how's it going, you guys? Happy Thursday and happy day number 6 for our sourdough starter series. I'm just gonna scrape off the top and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and feed it. Same thing as we did yesterday. So I'm going to be posting down below the new steps, okay? So it's 75 grams of the pour over. Okay, so we're gonna tear this out. And I'm just gonna stir this a bit. And then get this. I'm gonna go over 75 because I don't wanna have to scrape the ramekin. I'll take a little bit more. Okay, now there's not much in here. Oh, there we go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this out and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. Let me tear the clean jar. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. It might be a little loud because it's storming outside. Okay. Somebody had made a comment about the scale not being really accurate. You guys, where I'm filming this, there's like a bow in my countertop. It's always been there. And so I think that's why it's a little wonky. So I don't think it's the scale. I think it's, see how that does that? I think it's my countertop. Because I don't have any trouble when I do this on the and my scale will wobble, so I don't have this problem when I work in other areas. So also somebody asked me why I don't use the second scale. Only because I'm doing this for YouTube. I'm keeping it simple with just one scale. Ignore the dog that you hear running around. He just came in and he got rained on. So he's running around like crazy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in 75. Getty, Mama's filming. Anytime he gets wet like that, he just, well, you know, anybody who's out there who has dogs, you know. Okay, we're gonna try to get this as close to 75 as we can. Oh, it's even lightning. Craziest weather. Craziest weather. 87 one day, 28 degrees the next. Just crazy. I know I'm not the only one here in Michigan experiencing it. So, all right, we've got 77, but we're just gonna roll with that, okay? Now, I want to add the water, so we're gonna put the beaker on here. We're going to tear it out, okay, and now we want 115 grams of water. I'm using warm water. Okay, it's a little over, hold on. Get the water off my scale here. I'd rather a little more than a little less. All right, try off the scale, let's see. Okay, 118, I'm good with that. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and add that in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stir that. Get that all mixed in. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and take that, tear it, and then we're going to do, grab my rye flour here. It's going to be 50 grams of rye. Grab a spoon. Ooh, I'm making a mess. All right, I'm good with that. I'm gonna add that in. Getting a little less precise as this project goes along. All right. Okay, let me stir that in. Okay, and then let's get bread flour. All right, now it is 50 grams of bread flour or all-purpose, whichever one you're choosing to use. All right, that's good. So let's put that over here. And let's get that added. All right. Give that a good stir. All right, guys, so there we have it. Let's get that focused in there for you. It smells really good. It's starting to smell very yeasty now, instead of like that sour smell. It smells good. We will feed it again together tomorrow. Tomorrow will be our last day. Next, I think after that, we can put it in the fridge and store it. But so far, I mean, I have not had a rise. Today is Thursday, so I'm gonna aim that on Thursday. I have not had a successful rise like I did after the first day, or the second day I should say, when I came and made that short little video with you guys. It just hasn't been rising like that. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I feel right now. I have mixed emotions on this starter. But we'll see. We'll see what it does. I will take a look at it. You know, he does say to feed it twice a day. I don't know. If I decide to feed it a second time, I'll come back and put on the camera. Otherwise, I'll meet you guys back here tomorrow morning. I've been filming this like a little later, like early afternoon. But tomorrow morning I might come on early, and my sister's coming over tomorrow, so I'll be up early anyway. So I might just feed this early, and we'll take a look at it, and we'll see. Okay, let me put the cover on. And you know, I did a bunch of reading, and it's very normal for the top of the starter to dry out. I don't want to put a lid on it because it's supposed to take on the yeast in the air. So and I do have to say, I'm making this now, you know, during, I mean, when I had that really good rise, it was really warm here. It was 82 in my kitchen. And since then, I mean, we've had a low of 28 degrees last night. So it's been much colder in my kitchen. I do still have it near the seed warmer. So I have the seed warmer around it. So, I don't know. Like I said, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll take a look at it. I want to test it in a recipe and see how it does. But I want to make sure that it's ready. So I might decide to feed it through the weekend with you guys. but I'll know more tomorrow by the smell and by the look of it. So I'm going to go ahead and go clean up my mess, and I will see you guys here tomorrow morning, and we'll take a look at day 7 at how this starter looks, and maybe over the weekend we'll test it out on a bread recipe. Okay? All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.